Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 8 of the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. So the last one I did was the smoky with the Suck It To Me and Shisha Smoke. And it was very beautiful. Ooh, it was beautiful. Today I really don't know what to do, but we are going to do a look. And I think I might do something with this, maybe. Actually, let's have a moment with that, maybe. Just that. We'll see. I don't know. I just, like, I don't know. Let me just go prep my eyes and we'll get into something. But I am going to try out this today. The Beautiful Skin Foundation for your best healthy looking skin day every day. Voudrais plus ou son améliorer tous les jours. I don't know French. I think that's French. But I'm going to try on 8 warm. And for concealers, I will be mixing these two because I have 6.5 medium and 8.5 medium as well. I mean, if looking at these, I think, I don't know. The color selection for Charlotte Tilbury sometimes is like a little questionable, but I am loving the effect of this on the eyes. Because I think I've been using 3N, so I'm kind of like, they're kind of similar. You can tell this one's really, really warm. I did shade match it onto my arm from here to the lighter side. That's kind of how I do some shade matching sometimes, or I'll shade match to my chest. It just depends. I'll do a whole video on that one day. But I am curious to see what this looks like and what kind of effect it has. But for the most part, let me go prep my eyes and we'll get this tutorial on the road. Alright, so the eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. I hope they look like twins. I'm actually going to go in with Mirage first. And I'm going to go ahead and just place that down first for my brow bone. It's kind of almost like a warm pinky peachish type of thing going on. I do think this will be very beautiful as a highlighter when I get tanner. As you can tell, it is sunnier-ish today. Clouds on and off, as usual. Good old Netherlands. Lekker weer. Var. I believe that's how you pronounce it. In Dutch, weather, I think. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with Moroccan Ice. Get a little bit more of that iciness going. Oh. Yes. Look at that combination. Look at that combo. Ooh, child. Ooh, it kind of makes it look like dripping liquid metallic on the brow bone. Amazing. Now, I'm going to go in with a liner brush, first and foremost. Let me clean that up. I think I really do want to do something kind of like really cool, edgy, editorial. Well, not edgy, but couture. Couture. I really hope my tapes are even. But anyways, I'm going to go into Evil Genie. I have an idea. I have a vision. Got a vision. So we're going to do Evil Genie, and I actually just want to go ahead and start mapping out where I want the wing. I'm going to say ring, wing. Perfect. This is going to take a lot of... Hold your breath. See that sun is coming in. Oh, summer, spring. It is also near. far. Wherever you are, I believe our hearts will go on. Like, that's the only part of the song I know. I love doing looks like this because it just gets me out of my rut sometimes of kind of doing like the smoky, dramatic type of looks that I always do. But if you know a look that looks good on you, why not do it all the time? And the color on this is just so beautiful. It's almost like a teal green, blue, all the above. And it's just... I'm still not convinced this is the actual eyeshadow that she wore for her Wild Thoughts, because the Wild Thoughts was more green, unless they really played around with the editing of the color, the saturation of the color during editing, because whatever that color was in that video, I want it. Perfect. Perfect. And from here, I'm gonna go in with the finger just to go ahead and really start saturating the lid. Oh, this is a beautiful color for sure. And always just use it to blend out the edges a little bit. Use the finger, the warmth, the curation. I mean, look how vibrant that is. That is so beautiful. And I think this one has more wing than this side. Always trying to make them related is a struggle. Let me go ahead and do my best to even them out, and we will be right back. So I think I did it. I hope I did it. But this is where we are at. It's very... Oh, I love this. Water break. And I think for the inner corner, I want to go into... Moroccan Ice. Just going with the finger on both sides and just kind of tap it in. Oh, ooh, this is actually really nice. And of course from here you could probably do a wing if you want. Do I want to do a wing? No, we're just going to focus on this. So, for the most part, this is where we are at. Love this. I just, oh, this color, this evil genie, like it's just so... Is it like a teal, turquoise type of thing going on? But I'm actually curious, who still has this palette in 2024? Or in 2024? In 2024. Because they don't make them like they used to. Perfect. Just like that. So I'm going to go and do the mascara, the rest of my face, and we will see the final look in a moment. Alright, this is... It looks so yellow. The final look, tutorial number 8. I like this. I really do dig this look. Bronzer is Coconut. Coconut for Fenty Beauty. Highlighter is actually Afternoon Snack. So I went in with this side for the highlighter. Blush is actually Patrick Tall's Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. Oh, she's different. Oh, she's different. Which is more of this one. And a little bit of the rouge. Just a little bit. Stamp. 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 These are just so beautiful. Formulation beautiful. Patrick Tall is amazing. Beautiful makeup artist. Amazing work. Love, love, love. Brows are still Becca, going through that. Lips are Love Trap. Let's see if I can remember this. Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in Love Trap with Charlotte Tilbury's Supermodel and Pat McGrath's Opulous Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. Face is set with Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, setting spray, and also Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Thingy Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. But yeah, this is tutorial number 8. I love, 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 love this look. The foundation, I do love the foundation. Just gotta find the right color. I mean, this isn't bad. It's just, it's fine. These two mixed together for concealer under the foundation. What is this? 6.5 medium and 8.5 medium. Love this under. I'm actually really starting to dig this setting powder, the Airbrush Flawless, whatever. I don't even think it's the Airbrush Flawless setting powder. It's just the setting powder, yeah. I really am digging this. Very micro finished, molded, melded, whatever, pressed. There we go. And it just really helps to tone things down. I know she has the Airbrush Flawless brightening one. I hope the brand does decide to expand more on that shade range, because there is a yellow and a white. I think it would be nice if they came in with maybe like a light pink, a pink one, a very light pink, maybe even a light pinkish peach, a peachy one, and maybe a dark orangish red type of one for more deepers. It would be amazing. But tutorial number 8, here we are. I do love the consistency of this foundation. It is a little thick, but I think I still do prefer the Dior Skin Glow over this. But I do love how buildable this foundation is. I love the contrast and the blown out aspect of this blush. What is it? She's so different. Oh, she's different. And yeah, it is just such a beautiful, beautiful palette. Tutorial number 8. This look reminds me of a look I did from the Urban Decay's Kristen Leanne collaboration that they had. They had that teal in there also. Reminds me of that. I think I did a look with that. Kind of similar. But here we are, number 8. More focus on the Evil Genie aspect of this palette, because I know that was more of the ooh, oh my gosh, so amazing Rihanna color. But I think we're number 8. Definitely will play a little bit more with the warms for the next few looks. Like, I want to see, I wish I'd do a smoky with that one. That would be nice. Maybe a smoky with the Hennessy also fizz up. I mean, a lot of smoky moments in this, definitely, for sure. But I will see you guys in the next video. As usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits of these looks. Many, many more tutorials coming up. I am in the middle of doing, what is this one called? The Sunlit Seduction. I'm also in the middle of doing this. Yeah, I caved and I got it. Middle of doing that. Midnight Seduction also. Moonlit Seduction also. But without further ado, I will see you guys next video.